Panchakavya, a blessing for organic farming. Panchakavya or Panchakavyam is a mixture used in traditional Hindu rituals. The three direct constituents used are cow dung, cow urine, milk, and the two derived products are curd and ghee. The Sanskrit word Panchakavya means mixture of 5 cow products. Panchakavya is also used in Ayurvedic medicine and also called as Kaupati. Ingredients used for the recipe. Panchakavya contains 5 ingredients from cow, and it includes cow dung, cow urine, fresh milk, cow curd, and cow ghee. Ingredients from plants include tender coconut water, puan banana, jaggery, and water. Procedure for making Panchakavya. Mix 7 kg of cow dung with 1 kg ghee in a white plastic or wooden container. Mix the two ingredients thoroughly both in the morning and evening hours and keep the mixture for 3 days. After 3 days, mix 10 liters of cow urine with 10 liters of water. Keep the mixture for 15 days with regular mixing both in the morning and evening hours. Use a wooden stick to stir the mixture thoroughly both in the morning and evening hours. After 15 days, mix the following ingredients: 3 liters of cow milk, 2 liters of cow curd, 3 liters of tender coconut water, 3 kilograms of jaggery, 1 dozen of well-ripened puan banana. Make sure that the banana and jaggery are well crushed. Stir the mixture using a wooden stick thoroughly in twice a day. Leave the mixture to ferment for 30 days. Panchakavya will be ready for use after 30 days. Method of applying Panchakavya to plants. 3% of solution is most effective compared to higher and lower concentration. 3 liters of Panchakavya to every 100 liters of water is ideal for crops. 50 liters per hectare can be used for drip irrigation. 3% of solution can be used to soak the seeds and seedlings before planting. Effects of Panchakavya on plants and mankind. Panchakavya helps in increasing the size of leaves and also helps to produce side roots. It contains several micro and macronutrients, beneficial microorganisms like bacteria, which promotes growth. Pest repellent. Spraying Panchakavya is highly effective in controlling the fruit fly menace in mango trees. The components like cow dung and cow urine enhances the insectal activities of Panchakavya. Panchakavya is a mixed culture of beneficial microbes, mostly Lactobacillus, Saccharomyces, Streptomyces, and certain fungi like Aspergillus, which acts as pest repellent and promotes growth. Panchakavya, a blessing for mankind. It is widely used in the treatment of cancer and also a medicine for neurological insanity and fever. Panchakavya helps the body to provide relief from constipation. Panchakavya is an organic composition which is known to strengthen the brain, nerves, eyes, rectum, and some other body organs. Feeding Panchakavya to animals improves their immunity level. Thank you for watching the video.
Want to know more about these topics? Please follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.